Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day today. So today I'm going to talk to you about this new subscription box that has come out lately, and it is called the Goodie box. So this is a really fun box full of healthy goodies, snacks and beverages and stuff like that you will get a variety of different products each month. They are a subscription service, but you can also just order a one-time box if you want to try it out, and then if you're happy with that you can sign up 3 monthly or 6 monthly, and you do get a variety of about 8 to 10 different healthy snacks and drinks and chocolate and things like that every single month. And because this is a healthy snack box and a lot of people have different dietary requirements these days, like dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free and things like that, you can opt in to choose a certain category for your box. So if you want gluten-free, you can select that you want a gluten-free box. Also, if you are dairy-free, you can click dairy-free, or if you're vegan, you can also click vegan, which is amazing and so awesome. And I think that will actually appeal with the vast majority of the population these days. So these guys are really on point and up to date with what I think consumers do want. So all the products that you will get in your box are free from any artificial preservatives, colors or flavors as well. And what has excited me so much discovering this subscription box is because I have 3 kids, they do also offer a kids healthy snack box subscription as well. So if you've got kids and you want to, get a bit of a health kit going, which I think is super important for when you're trying to raise young kids and give them a healthy sort of those healthy taste buds, then you can start off by being a role model and getting it for yourself and then getting it for them, and you guys can sort of have those boxes together, and it can be like a fun thing that you can do. And so if you want to sign up, if you go onto their website, thegoodiebox.com.au, sign up for updates on their website and you'll get 15% off your first box, which is an incredible offer and a really great deal. So I would highly recommend getting up on that. So that's the lowdown on the Goodie box. Now let's just get into the unboxing. So I just got this box today and I haven't even opened it up yet. So this is going to be a sort of first impression unboxing of what you will get inside. So let's just open it up and have a look together. So this is your box here. So let's just open it up. And it's all sealed up in this beautiful green like tissue paper with the sticker. So let's just have a look. You can see there's a lot of like full-size products in there, which is really cool. I can see like little biscuits, fruit snacks, a drink there. It looks like porridge. This box is like jam-packed full of stuff. Also, I've just found out in this box you also get a card which tells you each product that you are getting in your box. So that is really cool to make sure that you do get everything that you should. And there's also some little leaflets about some of the products inside here as well. So the first one in here is the Rory's dessert bars. Now where is that? Orange brownie raw vegan dessert bar. I have a really big sweet tooth, so this is going to be great to have a guilt-free sweet snack. So I'm really excited about that. No added sugar, wheat-free and no dairy, and it is vegan as well. Dairy upsets me and I'm not a big fan of meat products and all that kind of stuff, so I'm really happy about that. So the next product is the Upbeat grain porridge. Now this is really cool. It looks like a full-size product, and this is 3-grain raspberry porridge. At the moment, with the weather getting a lot cooler where I am, I have been eating a lot of porridge lately. I do have a lot of flavors in my cupboard, but this will be the first time I'm trying this brand, so I'm very excited about that. So this is high protein, low sugar, low salt, low fat. Thank you. And then it has fiber in it as well, which is great. And the third product is an Alamo Milk, which is an Australian almond milk. Now I actually have gone pretty much dairy free since having my 3rd bub almost 2 years ago now, 1.5 years ago. Whenever I had dairy, it went through my milk and upset his skin and his body, so I had to turn off cow's milk completely, and I just haven't been able to get back into it at all. And I've been drinking almond milk for nearly 2 years now, and I've tasted my husband's like normal cow's milk and it irks me. I just can't drink it anymore. So having almond milk in this box is really exciting because that's all the only milk that I do drink, and I just really like the flavor of almond milk. And this is actually flavored with natural mangoes, and I absolutely love mango, so I'm very excited to try this. Australian mango puree and turmeric, and this is actually really clever because I know turmeric is really great for calcium absorption. Okay, so the next product is the Kez's Kitchen chewy flourless brownies. Ooh, chewy flourless brownies. peanut butter. I wonder how they made them without flour. That is cool. No refined sugar, crafted from fruit and roasted peanuts. Yum. So this is what they look like here. This is a pretty generous serving size. So it's a 6-pack, so you get 6 of those in there. That's awesome. Yum, yum. Okay, so the next product we have here is the Nudist fruit chips. And I love snacking on dried fruit, and these actually look like they are crispy dried fruit. So they're air dried fruit chips. So they're air dried apple, Australian blushing apples, nothing added, just bare baked goodness. So I'm feeling really good about this. They're 100% natural, 71 calories, and they have fiber. They are vegan, nut-free, gluten-free, and dippin' delicious. Oh my gosh, yum, that sounds so awesome. I'm gonna have to hide these from the rest of the family. So the next product is Tribe Organics rice crackers. I always buy rice crackers in lots of different flavors. We all eat them, my kids love them. So these ones are Tribe Organics rice crackers, and they are the original flavor. So sustainably sourced, which I am all for. Organic rice from hill tribes of Thailand. So yeah, this is a full-size product, and I will definitely see myself snacking on these, maybe with a little bit of dip or something like that. And so 2 products to go, and the second last product is the Saint hemp seeds. So these look like a fun little snack, or maybe you could add them into some salads or something like that. And it's just a little sachet size here. It's 25 grams, and it's Australian owned, no GMO, dairy free, soy free, and no artificial flavors, and it has a 5-star health rating. I generally snack on sunflower seeds, so I might even add these and mix these in with my sunflower seeds that I just have on my desk that I snack on throughout the day. And the last product we have in this box here is the Elements Vitamin Tea. And I have 2 little teas here. They are 2 different flavors here, and it looks like I have organic vitamin tea. So this has green tea, orange peel, lemongrass, fennel, and then it has extracts of lemon, basil, guava, amala, sesbania, and annatto. And then this one has green tea, lemongrass, ginger, lemon, and then extracts of lemon, basil, guava, amla, sesbania, and annatto. And these are also organic and fair trade, so that's really cool. Okay, so that's everything that was in my goodie box. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you would like. I have the link down here somewhere. It's a little red button. Give that a click. That would make me so happy. And leave me a comment below letting me know if you have tried this subscription box before, or if you have a favorite product that I've mentioned or that you recommend that is a healthy snack to have, because I really need to get a little bit more healthier. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.